Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your weekly screencast video. This is the last video for the next couple of weeks because next week is spring break, which brings me to the big assignment that is due on Sunday, March 30th. I've gotten quite a few emails from students inquiring about the assignment. Asking questions on information about the assignment, I should say on information that I thought has been communicated. So it leads me to think that perhaps maybe instructions are not being read thoroughly, screencast videos are not being watched for instruction. Even announcements might not be read thoroughly. So, just to take everybody through some of the items here that I've been getting in the way of email activity. So, if I go back to the week 4 and 5 announcement about the schedule, I open this up. And here is that schedule. And I say in week 5, we develop a research topic that will sustain our academic inquiry for the rest of the semester. Simple statement there. So if you're thinking, what am I going to write this annotated on? It should be the topic you proposed in discussion board 7, exercise 1.5. That is the sustained research topic we'll be working on. Also, if I get to this week 6 and 7 schedules, I talk once again, working with the research topic described in discussion board 7, we begin the process of learning about how to locate credible and reliable sources to support your accurate reading, academic writing. Chapter 2, focus on research process and what a good source is. All of this research comes together in the annotated bibliography, due Sunday, March 30th. So that's week 6 and 7. Okay, going all the way back to the beginning of March. Please take the time to read instructions and watch videos. So then we get up to the idea of the 8 and 9 schedules, right? Here the annotated bibliography is due that Sunday. Now we're in chapter 3, so in the textbook, and then continue working with sources you have found for the annotated bibliography. So the annotated bibliography is in itself due this Sunday, the 30th. I made it that way right before spring break. If you've accomplished everything, you can turn around and take spring break off because I have nothing assigned over the break. So even as far as going back to week 6 and 7, I have the annotated bibliography instructions here. And I know I've referred to this many times in my screencast videos. So the introduction of this is about 250 to 300 words. The 6 to 8 sources that you need for your research topic that you determined in discussion board 7, it should be around 1,500 to 2,000 words. I have an instructional video here all about the EAB. I can't remember how long it is. I want to say something in my brain. Might be about 4.5 minutes maybe. Let me play that here. Let's see.
Hello,
That's
everyone.
about 5
This is Jim
minutes there.
Okrasinski, your instructor.
All right, so I have that there. It'll explain all about this particular assignment. I even have couple of 3 examples here, right? You can look through and see how extensive the annotations are. You have citations and annotations for the sources. Let me get back out of this. So all of this information is here in the annotated bibliography instructions. Everybody should have been aware of the scope of this particular assignment. Then we get to the idea here of what's an annotated bibliography. Let me get up to, I move this up to the week 8 and 9 to keep it current. And then here I describe with another instructional video how to build an annotation in the 3 parts, part 1, part 2, and part 3. If you look at the 3 parts of this particular, of an annotation, that's pretty much demonstrated in the examples, so you're aware of what this particular assignment is all about. So, that being said, I have pulled all of these sources together. We're in the week 8 and 9. This is where you make the upload for your document. A Word or PDF document would be fantastic here. Upload your Word or PDF document here, and this will be the assignment that's due. So, hopefully, everybody had an opportunity to view this screencast video, and it clarifies anybody's questions about the messaging on this particular assignment, when it is due, what it should look like, and what the extent of the scope, I should say, of this particular annotated bibliography. If they're watching this video, if you have any questions, please send me an email. Good luck.